ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
The respiratory system brings oxygen into your body and removes carbon dioxide through breathing, involving organs like nose, trachea, and lungs.
Okay. So, good. Next.
My model name is heart. Heart is the most important organ of the circulatory system. It pumps all of their body. Four chambers of their heart, artery and veins. There are two chambers in heart, aorta and veins.
Well, after this. Next one. Next.
Kidney demonstrates the waste the kidney demonstrates the waste materials as urine and blood. It purifies the blood and
Inside view.
the kidney working model demonstrates how the kidney filters blood, removes waste forming urine and balance fluids using teeny filters called nephrons, showing blood entering filter wastewater into tubeless, reabsorbing good stuff back and sending urine via waters to the bladder. Thank you.